everyone. I just wanted to touch base. It's been a few days since I've chatted with y'all. Hope y'all are doing well and survived the snow. I actually had snow and ice at my house, not much. Again, being from Western New York, I didn't have too much, but or not in my it wasn't too much to me. But I know for down here it was a lot. So just wanted to do a little update and reminder of what's coming up. So the intro module, all that stuff should be done. So if you haven't submitted something to that section, it's too late. Don't bother. So now we're looking at module Ariel, chapters 1 through 4. So let me just show you. So up here where it says National Mathematics Advisory Panel, those are just some slides and the PowerPoint about the National Mathematics Advisory Panel report. Okay, so this is just some stuff, kind of some background as we get into the semester and the chapter. So start here, just some background information, like I said, on direct instruction. Again, you can choose to just look through the slides or you can choose to listen to the recording. It's the same content, okay? So just start there and it just goes with chapters 1 through 4. And then there's chapters 1 and 2. Again, uh, disregard anything that doesn't make sense because sometimes it's from last semester. So here are the PowerPoints for chapters 1 and 2, and then here are just the PowerPoint slides. Let me see if I can move down. Okay, so there's just the slides. Again, you can choose what you want to how you want to interact with the content, whether you want to listen to the recordings or just look at the PowerPoint slides that are posted. Okay, then there's chapter 3. And this one does not have a PowerPoint that goes with the textbook, so make sure you pay attention and watch this little recording. Okay, I forgot about that there's no PowerPoint slides for chapter 3. And then chapter 4 is right here, so a couple parts, and then there's some slides, and there's also, just kind of for your information, some stuff, direct instruction format and measuring counting. If you wanted to look at that, you don't have to do anything with it, but let me just show you. Oh, don't mind my little agenda. So it's just, I think it referenced something that was in the PowerPoint, if I recall correctly. Sometimes I don't remember why I post things, y'all, so just FYI. All right, so let's go back here. So again, you can look through these little things if you want. You don't have to. Here are the slides and then the recording for chapter 4. And then, I know y'all like when I sing. So that is all that is open right now is module Ariel. Yes, module Buzz Lightyear is ready. I'm just choosing not to open it yet. I don't want y'all to just fly through everything and, not really pay attention to the content. So I will open it probably at the beginning of next week, I would say. You will still have plenty of time for your assignments, okay? But so what I just want to touch base about is the Would You Rather assignment. That is coming up in the calendar, which of course, I have to rotate. I curse at it every time. All right, so the module A, Would You Rather assignment is due Friday, the 28th. So that's coming up this Friday. And then your quiz is due on February 4th. So you still have some time with that, and I'll touch base about that in just a second. Module B isn't due until February 18th. So like I said, I will get it posted and give you plenty of time, but I don't want you to rush through the content. Okay, so this is your main deadline right now. Would You Rather module A is due Friday. So again, going under module Ariel, here's the video recording if you forget, what the assignment's about. And then here are your choices. Remember, you will choose one. So you will either work through this presentation from the Task Fall Conference that I presented. And then if you choose this, you will click right there. And then here are your notes your guided notes that you will submit as your assignment, excuse me. Or you will choose the IRIS module, high quality mathematics instruction, what teachers should know, and then your assignment is right there. Just a note also, I got from one of your classmates, I think they tried to click on, oh gosh, I can't remember what it was. Maybe one of the assignments, and it said, danger, error, file not found, error 404 or something like that. So I appreciate you bringing that to my attention. So you might want to, the person went back and used Firefox as their browser. So you may want to try using Firefox. So if you get the error, and I'm going to pause here and pull up the video. The email. So hold on one second. Okay, so if you get the answer, the person was trying to access the Word document to complete the IRIS module. So I'm assuming right here, and the error said 404 file or directory not found in, of course, big red letters. The resource you are looking for might have been removed, had its name changed, or temporarily unavailable. So we've always been told to use Firefox. So if you see that error, try using Firefox as your browser, okay? I tend to use Google Chrome, and I just realized that might be why some of my things don't copy over from semester to semester. So if you see that error, again, just try going through Firefox. And again, thank you to the person who pointed that out to me, okay? So that's that for the would you rather. So remember, you're either going to choose this one, and here's your assignment, or you're going to choose this one, and here's your assignment. You will just choose one, so you will just submit either this or this. All right, so I just want to touch base about that. And then your quiz is back under just module Ariel. And so that is your must-do assignment, remember? And so the quiz covers chapters 1 through 4 and the NMAP slide. So I just added that part. I think there's a little confusion about that. Not a separate assignment for the NMAP. I just wanted you to know that the slides from right here where it says NMAP are part of the quiz. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Again, no rush to get through this content. I mean, you have a deadline of Friday for this assignment and then next Friday for your quiz. But then I will open Module B and I'll set it up in the same way. It'll say Module Buzz Lightyear, chapters I think 5 through 10. So it'll be a folder for each chapter with the slides and the voice recording. Then I'll do a Would You Rather assignment recording for Module Buzz Lightyear. I will post a Would You Rather folder for Buzz Lightyear, and I will post your must do assignment, which is the quiz. Remember, all the modules have a quiz, and all the quizzes are considered your must do assignment. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. And again, this quiz, it just says covering chapters 1 through 4 and AP slides, again, just so you take a few minutes to actually look through these slides. All right, I think that's about it. When module Buzz Lightyear opens, it will be posted over here, or will be visible, excuse me, over here, and then you can go from there. All right, hope everyone's doing well and enjoy the sunny day. Well, at least here in Florence, it's sunny. So hope it is where you are as well.